With Kenya boasting of having hosted the first United Nations Environment Assembly that brought together over 170 countries together, Nairobi received an endorsement as the world capital of environment, but the reality on the ground reflects a different thing altogether.
Our river has not been clean, but we thank our late Minister, Honorable late Mechuki, because he initiated the process of taking care for the Nairobi River Basin, and the government is very committed to the process. This is one of the items that receives a line item in our budget to fund for ensuring there is a clean Nairobi River.
With Nairobi being home to 80% of Kenya's industries and the lack of a recycling plant for industrial waste, Ngong, Mathare and Nairobi River have served as the final destination of industrial waste. Nairobi River is said to have only 0.1% of dissolved oxygen.
The Nairobi River is dead. I mean, some certain sections are completely dead. By dead, I mean, like now, they will not be able to support any life form. No living thing can survive in there. Meaning that the river needs to be revived. And reviving it means that we stop releasing the chemical pollution in terms of like now heavy metals into that river. And also, of course, organic pollution, which depletes the river of oxygen. And oxygen, doesn't support. Without oxygen, you can't have any life form there.
It's under this backdrop that 21 industries have undertaken to embrace new technologies with less waste disposal and increased production towards a green economy. However, the huge investment that comes with this major commitment presents a major challenge given that the much-hyped green fund by the government has not been forthcoming.
We do not have a dedicated financing facility for new technologies by industries. And that is, I think, food for thought under this program. And we will need to expand this partnership to work with the Ministry of Industry, so that Ministry of Industry and Ministry of Finance, to be able to see what are the possibilities of having a dedicated cleaner production financing. We have the same in many other countries, India, China, South Africa. We don't have here.
Industries have also cried foul of inadequate personnel from NEMA to guide on environment-friendly innovations, with only 300 officers having to attend to 2 million industries in the country.
Even as we recognize the fact that challenges will remain, the demand for compliance will persist. And of course, knowing that a clean and healthy environment is a constitutional right for every Kenyan, the clamor for compliance will be even stronger.
The project of reviving Nairobi River was launched at NEMA offices, with the Kenya National Cleaner Production Center committing to deal with the industrial sector as its first priority before approaching other sectors. The initiative will, among other things, extend trainings and facilitation towards a green economy. Henry Maina, GBS News.
Thank you very much, Joki.